nearly 200 years after the first industrial revolution transformed manufacturing. The fourth industrial revolution is being propelled by the integration of data and digital technology. Enter AspenTech, AspenTech's industry-leading digital solution that harnesses the power of data and technology to ensure reliable asset performance and advance sustainability efforts. AspenTech improves on traditional maintenance strategies by using existing data to predict asset failures before they occur, and suggests specific corrective action to increase asset availability, minimize production downtime, and reduce operational costs. Integral to AspenTech's success are various agents that combine engineering and data science expertise to monitor data streams. Rules and condition-based agents alert at the slightest deviation from expected data ranges. First principles-based agents delve deep into governing engineering principles to assess asset performance and degradation. And AI and machine learning-based agents detect anomalies and predict failures before they disrupt your operations. AspenTech's versatility may be best demonstrated through its ability to integrate custom codes created by data scientists for unique, complex scenarios. Agents are easily created using asset templates with predefined KPIs or breakthrough Maestro technology that automates sensor recommendations. Alert Manager functionality uses detailed information from past incidents and documented learning to provide valuable alert prioritization and context to enable users to take swift, confident action on the most critical alerts. KPI dashboards help achieve your operational and business goals in real time in one centralized platform. Monitor critical metrics like agent and asset health, production and maintenance efficiency, and resource utilization. These dashboards can be used out of the box or configured to your specific needs. Whether it's piping and instrumentation diagrams, wind power plant layouts, or fleet views. It's time to leverage the proven power of AspenTech, a versatile, user-friendly solution that empowers teams to drive asset efficiency, reduce cost, and fast-track progress to a smarter, greener future. See how AspenTech can transform your operations at aspentech.com/mtel.